Welcome to a new diecast story from the DIY miniature city of clever diecast cars. A red SUV has had an accident. We need a tow truck to tow the SUV. Oh, what happened here? Another accident? Some nice American muscle cars. Let's start the tow truck and drive to the accident site. We need to turn around. Small issues during towing are normal. I think we need another tow truck. The police can also leave the accident site. Do you know which brand this car is? Do you want to see more diorama shows with 1/64th scale die-cast cars from Hot Wheels and Matchbox? Then subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Like my video if you enjoyed it.